Here we go. We're finally gonna make it happen. We're gonna do 48 states in 60 days. Gonna load up the family and go. We call it our circle because with the COVID, we're gonna stay in our little circle and make this happen. And to help mark time, I'm gonna shave right before we go and then not shave again until I get back. So that's gonna be fun. My wife's doing all the editing. What's nice about editing is I don't have to shave. It just happens. See how that works? But wait, that ain't gonna work. I thought I was gonna shave everything. Come on, babe. Oh, for sure that ain't gonna work. Look, come on, babe. I look as goofy as a two-legged dog trying to pee on a fire hydrant. Don't leave me like that. Come on, let's move on. There it is. That'll work, I guess. So here it is. I don't know what day of the week is it? With this COVID, I can't hardly remember. Do Arkansas tomorrow. I don't know where in Arkansas. They may be evacuating Louisiana, so we may just go way north in Arkansas, catch that one, and head on east. I don't know where we're staying tomorrow night, but by the end of this video, you'll know. They got late last night. It was early this morning. I'm so excited I can't hardly stand it. I'm just excited to see this country. I'm proud to be an American. I'm proud of American people. Anyway. Take a minute and thank all the people that are at home taking care of business. The guys that stayed working for our company is great. We were about 22 employees last year at this time. Now we're down to 11. And everybody's fighting hard. They know how the free market works. Anyway, I just appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Well, people, you know that feeling you get when you think you forgot something when you're headed on a trip? I got that feeling pretty bad. Babe, did we get the kids?
Yeah.
They're back there?
Yeah.
All right. Gunner's right here. Rolling. Truck in the rear view. Truck coming around the left. We're gonna go see America, ladies and gentlemen. Well, people, we're 65 miles into this trip. Callan came to see me. Get to introduce you to Callan. Maybe you've seen him in some of his other videos, but and then Gunner. I don't know if you've met Gunner, but we're just pulling into Bryan College Station over to Aggies. We'll be rolling on. Mama's looking at stuff in Arkansas for us to do, and we still don't know where we're staying tonight yet, but we're making miles.
subscribe. We're thinking about doing 50 states in 60 days, but we actually can't because we need to go on the plane to 2 because we're gonna go to, because if we're gonna do all 50, we would have to.
More to work with, babe. Are you still filming?
Yes! So, because we're gonna go to Hawaii and Alaska, but we can't because we need a plane. So, yeah. But anyways.
Here you go. Show them. You got about another minute. Show everybody what they want to see.
Oh, we got this. Come on.
Bye.
Here we are, Gunner. It's your bathroom break. Mama needed to run a slide out to get the boys some clothes. They've been sleeping. Got them up early this morning. We stopped at this historical marker just to take a little break, pop a slide out, get some clothing. Checked all of our bolts are good and tight. Everything's still hooked up. I guess before we leave this state, we need to get Texas on there. Figure we can put Texas on there since we live there. But we're headed to Arkansas. Mama made plans. I don't remember what they was, but we got about 4 hours to where we're supposed to be. But I don't go quite as fast as Siri thinks I should. It's just a little bit rough. This sure is pretty getting off into East Texas. It's starting to feel like I'm driving in a tunnel. Pretty cool. We still got 11,000 miles or so of country to see. We gonna see this whole country, Gunner. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. Hey, do you guys know where we're at?
Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Daddy, what?
Hey,
Daddy, what?
did you know Arkansas is surrounded by 6 states?
Yeah.
I can't name them all, but
One's Oklahoma, one's Texas. Daddy, what? One's Louisiana.
is it?
Look.
We'll check it out on the map later.
Let's go take a picture by this sign real quick.
Look, Daddy.
Let's go get a selfie by the Arkansas sign.
What?
All right, then. It's the natural state. And there's the flag. How many stars does it have, Car?
24.
Do we know why, or we'll have to look?
25.
25. We'll look up why in a minute. All right, let's go. We're just 60 miles from our campsite. There it is. Here we are in Murfreesboro, Arkansas. Looks like we did 400 miles today. It's probably gonna be a little more than our average traveling day. Right, Gunner?
What did you guys find?
Are you ready? Yeah, go. Go fast. California. Look at how deep it is for me.
Oh my goodness.
I just walked across. You didn't walk.
Look at that. You guys always be finding some water.
That's a drone.
What's Dad fixing to do?
142 cents. Do it again. 42 cents.
What is he? Oh yeah? Got his drone up there doing his
Mama, film
thing.
me Ron do this. Mama.
And Callan is over here running. That is something you will discover with our boys. They always seem to find something to get into. I'm ready.
All right, here we are. Where's this?
Murfreesboro.
Murfreesboro.
Arkansas.
Murfreesboro, Arkansas. Oh, Laura gave us a little break. Gave me some time to take the drone up. I was a little bit nervous with the drone. I hadn't flown it much since I crashed the one. That was not fun. And I was a little concerned about the weather, but I wanted to put it up because it was such a pretty place. And I wanted to get a picture of the water tower, but I didn't quite get it. And I actually kind of got lost. So I had to point my way back down the street, and then I was afraid. Anyway, I lost reception on the remote, and I was afraid it wouldn't know the way home, and I would have to know the way home, and wasn't sure I knew the way home. There we are. Yeah, it took me a little while. Anyway, this was a nice little RV park. Sure was a pretty place. We went to town that evening, had supper. I don't think we got much of that, but we got to put we got to put a magnet on the board of where we were from at the restaurant. What's the name of that Southern Cafe? Yeah, I think it was Southern Cafe. And it was good. Real nice stuff.
Down home cooking. Very nice. And Sarah and Lynn from Murfreesboro RV Park were very nice and informative and kept us up to speed on Laura.
Yep, that's when we decided to leave early the next morning and sure enough, Laura was right on top of us in the morning.
Yes.
But we got ahead of her again, and then she caught us again.
Yeah, she did. Well, that's when we stopped. Yeah, in Little Rock.
Yeah. We're putting more. We're letting the cat out of the bag. They hadn't seen that part of the video yet.
No, they will. But the boys had fun playing in the little creek over there on the side. It was so green. Everything's so green. We came from LaGrange and everything. Husband fried up.
Man, I didn't realize I had the drone up that long. I'm probably gonna trim this down a little bit.
Yeah.
It's getting really kind of boring.
Yeah.
But we do need to get a video out. You want to see how our editing process? I don't know. We should probably trim this down. What do you think?
Yeah.
Like to about here in just a second because it's an awesome shot. Yeah, there's a flag in here somewhere. Wait, I'm working on it. Oh, I'm almost there. We gotta back up. It's my favorite part. If I get the flags. America, that's it.
There it is.
There's the shot I wanted for them all to see. Oh, that's what it's all about. We want to see all of it, right,
Yes,
babe?
we are so excited.
Anyway, but we'll trim it down. We'll get this thing. We'll get these videos moving faster. We're practicing. We're still practicing.
Yes.
Yeah, we're supposed to take the practicing parts out. It's too long, man. Oh, except the flag. It's there again. It's good. The
Well,
flag.
we got it on that one side, so.
Yeah. But you know what?
Got it! Wait, oh!
So, Karsten, what's the nickname of this state? Arkansas?
The natural state.
That's right.
Oh, look, I see the...
There you go. Make a two-headed miner in Murfreesboro, Arkansas. Get your head in there. We'll make a two-headed. There it is. A two-headed miner.
I want to see.
Well, just a second. Let me go back. I'm going to get a picture. I was taking a video this
Now
time.
it's back to a one person head.
Now it's a one-person.